just like a
Begin by applying color corrector to your problem areas. For me, it's under my eyes, around my mouth area, and on my cheeks. Right now, I'm just using blush because it's a lot more lightweight. Also, don't mind my pimples. I always film when Mother Flo is here, so... So next, we're just going to apply foundation over top of the color corrector that we applied. As you can see, it makes my skin look a lot more even as opposed to like being able to see my dark spots.
I'm an innovator, fuck a standard education. Sitting through a lecture, that's the root of my frustration.
Apply concealer under your eyes, on your nose, and on your chin.
Swear they're trying to clone me, use my thoughts for entertainment. Hold it down tonight. Hold it down. Get your mind on. Get your mind. Get your double side.
It's also optional if you want to put it on your Cupid's bow, but typically I don't. I just chose to do it for this time because I was, you know, I don't know, I'm not really a makeup person, that's why.
Hold it down tonight. Hold it down, project the light that makes you proud. And when it shines, you know you found a vibe to fight. And hold it down tonight. Trust your own insight. The cheap and Baddie talk will not.
So the next part is preference. I just lined the outside of my face with a pressed powder that matches my complexion, just so that my neck matches as my jawline. But it's really up to you. I know some people just leave the they like to leave the concealer on like that, but sorry, I don't know why I'm laughing. It's just not my taste. So next we're going to take a cocaine color. Sorry. This color is so ashy, but you want to take the ashy color so later when we are actually adding color to our eyes, it actually shows up. So don't worry about the way my eyes look right now. I know they look red. For now, just focus on applying the yellow to your inner crease. Also take time to apply the yellow to your under eye. I actually filmed this out of order, so I'm going to go back and explain what I did to my eyelid.
I'm focused on elevation, living in nirvana. Hold it down.
Take a burgundy or an orange color and apply it to your lower lash line so that it looks a little bit more orange or reddish. Next, you're going to take a glittery color and apply it to your eyelid. As you're applying the glitter to your eyelid, just make sure that you're keeping in mind that it's going all the way across your eyelid, not just on the inner crease of your eyelid. And now for the red. Now for the red. So you're going to take a red color. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you're going to apply it just to the outer part of your eye. I like to use a dabbing motion, but really do what's best for you. Now I'm using a gel glitter eyeshadow. The reason why I use gel is because it tends to hold up color better. So I'm just applying that to the center of my eyelid. And that's it, guys. Grab your textbooks. We're ready to head to clown school. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, what am I doing? Anyways, apply it to your inner creases as well, that same gel color. It's going to make you glow a lot more. And then just to spice it up, I just added some under my eyes in the center. Next is eyeliner. I can't put on eyeliner to save my life. It's never even, but basically just make a nice pointy eyeliner. It's up to you. Sometimes I do puppy eye, sometimes I do pointy eye. This time I'm doing pointy eye. And to add a little bit more flavor to your pumpkin spice latte this autumn, just add a little point on the inner crease of your tear duct. Next is mascara. So I begin by applying a defining mascara to my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna go in with a more plumping mascara. Also, this look probably looks great with false lashes, but you know, like, those irritate my eyes. I can't do the lashes. I really tried, but I can't. Don't forget to apply mascara to the bottom lashes just to make the look a little bit more sultry. This is another preference part. It's not mandatory, but when I'm doing looks that are really dramatic, I like to add beauty spots. So I'm just using an eyeliner pen to add a couple beauty spots to my face. Another preference spot is freckles. So I know some people are against it, some people are for it. When I'm being dramatic, yeah, I'll put on freckles. So something that I have as a tip is to always pat your freckle spots after you apply them. It just helps a little bit to make it seem a little more realistic. Of course, you'll never look completely like you have freckles, because I mean, you don't, but it just helps with realism. Now we're doing blush. So you're going to want to apply it to the balls of your cheek and the tip of your nose. When you're applying your blush, it's kind of like a tip to smile while you're doing it, because it really shows the parts of your cheeks that are really the balls of your cheeks. So I suggest making a fake smile when you're applying blush.
Let me roll my marijuana. Throw me into conversations, do me the dishonor.
So personally, I like to put the Fenty Beauty blush or highlighter over top of my blush anytime I wear blush. And then to add even more shine, as if I needed any, I just apply the highlighter over top of my cheeks where I can see light reflects off of it. And then last, the thing that ties every look together, lipstick. So I'm just applying a matte liquid lipstick by Smashbox, and I'm choosing a brown color because fall tends to be browns and oranges and warm red colors and things like that. And that's it. That's your fall yellow themed look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you try it out, even if you end up not going outside with it. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to comment. Tell me if you like the look. Tell me if you're going to wear it outside, if you're going to wear it inside, if you're just going to try it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and listen to my podcast, A Simplicite Life. I'll leave all the links in the description box below this video, and I hope to see you guys there. Bye!